Did you know that over 1 trillion ballpoint pens are used worldwide each year, contributing significantly to plastic waste and pollution? The sheer scale of ballpoint pen usage is staggering, with over 100 million pens discarded every day. This phenomenon has severe environmental implications, as most pens end up in landfills or oceans. In fact, a single ballpoint pen can take up to 1,000 years to decompose. The production process of ballpoint pens involves various toxic chemicals, such as styrene and phthalates. These chemicals can contaminate soil and water sources, posing risks to human health and the ecosystem. So, what can we do to reduce the environmental impact of ballpoint pens? One simple solution is to adopt eco-friendly writing alternatives, such as refillable pens or pencils. Refillable pens can significantly reduce the number of pens discarded annually. For instance, a study found that switching to refillable pens can decrease waste by up to 50%. Another option is to repurpose old pens by turning them into plant markers or other creative items. You can also support companies that prioritize sustainability and environmentally responsible practices. Some companies are now designing pens from biodegradable materials, such as cornstarch or sugarcane. Imagine a world where pens are made from renewable resources rather than plastics. But that's not the strangest part. Some companies are even creating pens that can break down in compost. However, the production process of biodegradable pens requires significant research and development. Scientists are working to improve the durability and functionality of these eco-friendly pens. But wait until you hear what comes next. Some companies are exploring the use of 3D printing for pen production. 3D printing can significantly reduce waste and energy consumption associated with traditional pen manufacturing. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the writing industry, making it more sustainable and environmentally friendly. For centuries, humans have relied on writing as a primary means of communication. The evolution of writing tools, including the ballpoint pen, has had a profound impact on human history. However, the environmental consequences of pen production and disposal have become a pressing concern. This phenomenon occurs when we overlook the long-term effects of our daily choices. The production of ballpoint pens involves a complex process that involves various chemicals and materials. But did you know that some pens contain toxins that can contaminate the air and water? You can see the impact of toxic chemicals on the environment when you observe the devastating effects of pollution. For example, a study found that exposure to styrene can cause respiratory problems and cancer in humans. Styrene is a common chemical used in pen production, highlighting the need for sustainable alternatives. The good news is that many companies are now prioritizing sustainability and environmentally responsible practices. Some companies are designing pens from recycled materials, such as recycled plastic or metal. Imagine a world where pens are made from materials that can be easily recycled or biodegrade. But that's not the only solution. We must also adopt eco-friendly habits in our daily lives. One simple habit is to carry a refillable pen or pencil, reducing the need for single-use pens. By making these small changes, we can collectively make a significant impact on the environment. In fact, studies have shown that adopting eco-friendly habits can decrease waste by up to 70%. The impact of our choices is staggering, and every small action counts. So, what can you do to reduce the environmental impact of ballpoint pens? You can start by choosing eco-friendly writing alternatives or repurposing old pens. Every small action you take can make a significant difference in reducing waste and pollution. You can also support companies that prioritize sustainability and environmentally responsible practices. By working together, we can create a more sustainable future for generations to come. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. Want more mind-blowing facts? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery. Remember, every small action you take can make a significant difference in reducing waste and pollution.